I'm out here with the X5SW-V3, which is version 3, and W for Wi-Fi. This is test flight after changing the female adapter for the battery. Changed it to a different JST, so I can use different batteries with this. And this battery is a 650 3.7. The original battery comes, it's 500. So we're going to see how a 650 works. Let's take her up for a flight. Also, this is the first night that I'm going to have the red lights in the rear, green lights in the front. I don't know if you guys seen that video. But anyway, let's take her up. Alright, so we got that pretty much trimmed out. So, take it for a run out there. Looks good. You can see the green lights make lights a little bit different. This is speed 1. Let's see, she runs pretty well. This is an awesome little drone. I finally got it to go right. Did it go right now? But yeah, nice little drone. Go to speed 2. Speeds on this is kind of weird. Even the trimming, you push the left stick down and then you use your right stick to trim what you want to trim. But you have to hold the stick down. And then once you hold the stick, take your finger off the stick just to move it up and down. It comes out of trim. Speed is you push your right stick down. Look at this, this just sitting here. I'm just barely touching this thing. You can hear the beeps. 1, 2. This is speed 2. A little faster. Yep, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, nice. This is a 650 battery. I love my lights now. Flying at night's a lot easier. Try to fly this one, the lights were in front. The red was in front. And the greens were in the back. That's so confusing. Oh, also, what I found, you see there's a camera on this? If this comes with a Wi-Fi camera, you cannot fly it without that camera. I tried and it'd get 5 feet and drop out of the sky. Just let you know. Alright, one more round and we'll call it a night, but you can see how pretty she is. Wicked pretty. Gotta admit, she's pretty. Alright, and this has one button.